I'm reminded of this old gray-headed minister. So, well, Reverend Cheairs, things might be going well for you now, but one of these days you're gonna grow old. I'm thinking about just a few days ago when they had annual meeting at my church. They asked me for a letter of resignation. I've been around there for over 30 years, and they asked me for a letter of resignation. My eyesight's have gotten dim, and I can't see like I used to. My footsteps are shorter, and I can't walk like I used to. But I made up in my mind that I'm gonna hold on. Oh, see what the end's gonna be. Then he folded his arms and looked at me with tears in his eyes and began to sing a song that goes like this. I started with Jesus a long time ago. Since that day, I've had my troubles and woe, but God right now, I'm gonna take His word, even though my friends are few. I started with Jesus. Started with Jesus. Lord, you know what? I've got to go through.
Oh, yes, I have.
Lord, I got to go through.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take His word.
I'm gonna take His word.
Even though my
my
friends are few. Lord, I'm gonna pay the price.
I'll pay the price.
Although
Although
my friends are few. I started with Jesus. I started with Jesus. Started with Jesus. Started. Yes, I did. Long time ago, I got started, and you know where I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going through. I don't care what the world might say. I got to go. I'm going on through the race. I'm not given to the swift, but he that endure another to the end. I'm gonna stay right here and wait on my change to come. I don't care what the world might say about me. I'm gonna keep on holding. I got